Hey everybody, so I just wanted to share with you a simple tip for making fresh orange juice. So this is a simple citrus juicer. I cut my oranges and I press down on here. I'm going to make some noise here. It's a little loud, but you get the idea. And it's going to make, this is the quantity of 4 oranges, which is going to make approximately, I'm looking at the lettering on here, it looks like it's going to be about 18 or so, 18 ounces, something like that. So if you don't have one already, you might want to consider getting a juicer. It's a great way to just add some fruit into your diet, and by juicing them, you're going to get more live active enzymes. So have a good one, everybody.